Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is The Holy One, and that is by the Straight Gate Mass Choir. And guys, this is in the key of E flat. We're going to have fun with it. And this was requested by Demo. Thank you so much, Demo, for giving us this awesome song to work on today. To kick things off, I have my turmeric milk. And guys, this is awesome health benefits for getting your inflammation levels down. Check it out. Guys, I would love it if you can go to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with your favorite instructor in the whole wide world. Of course, me, AK, on today. You know, many people have asked me, how can we donate to you? And I want to give you the chance right now to just hit that thanks button. The thanks button right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. That thanks button give me a donation. Guys, I really appreciate it. All right, guys, we're in the key of E flat. Let's get it. That's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. We have Straight Gate Mass in the building. They are coming through to bless us with their awesome voices, and we're going to just do as normal. We're going to crack our knuckles. We're going to stretch them out, wiggle them. All right, I think we're ready. Are we ready? We're ready. Okay, let's receive Straight Gate Mass Choir with the Holy One. That was Straight Gate Mass Choir, the Holy One. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So our intro starts off. All right, let me give you that. So we're starting out on the 5, regular E flat major chord, going to our 4, that's an F minor chord. Now we're on our 3, playing a regular E flat major chord. This is a passing chord that you can't hear, but I'm giving it to you. We're on the 5 flat, and we're playing a C minor in our right hand. Then we're going to our 5. This is a regular D flat 7 chord, resolving on the 1 with the E flat dominant 7 chord. All right, we're going right back to that chord. That's on a 5 flat. We have our C minor chord. Then we're playing this nice chord on the 4. He's the Holy One. All right, what is that? We're on the 5 flat. We're playing our F dominant 7 chord. Going to our B flat dominant 7 chord on the 5. And on our E flat major chord on the 1. They have this nice turnaround they're doing. Let me give you that. All right, so we're on the 6 flat. And we're playing this G flat 6 chord. And then we're going to our 3 flat, and we're playing this regular D flat major chord. Then we're going to our 5, and here's our nice A flat 6 chord. So we start the song off. You are the King of Kings. Oh, you are the Lord of Lords. All right, let's stop right there and give you that. Okay, so we're on the 1. We're playing an E flat major chord. Right here, we're about to play a 7-3-6 progression, known in gospel as worldwide. On the 7, we're playing an F minor chord. Going to our 3, that's a B diminished 7 chord. Now we're ending on our 6, and we're playing a regular E flat 7 chord. Now they have a nice walk up. All right, what is that? Really just 2 chords. We're playing our C dominant 7 chord on the 6. Then we're going to the 7, and we're playing this nice chord. And we're going right back to our C dominant 7 chord on the 2 flat. Here's our next chord. That's an A flat 6 chord. Going to our F13 on the 2. And then we're resolving on the 5 with this nice B flat dominant 7 chord. And we're going right back to the beginning. And do that turnaround again. So you would run that a couple of times, and then we would go to He's the Holy One. He's the Holy One. All right, what is that? We're on the 7, and we're playing our B flat major chord. Same chord in the right hand. We're just changing up our bass. We're going to the 4. We're going to our 3 with a regular E flat major chord. He's the Holy One. All right, what is that? We're playing the 4, and we're playing our B flat major chord, going up to our 7, same B flat major chord, just inverted. Then we're going to our E flat major chord. Then we go right back to our intro. He's the Holy One. Now this transition to go to the vamp of the song. So if we're going to the vamp, we're playing this chord right here, and then we're resolving with our E flat dominant 7 chord. The vamp goes let's give you all of that. So we're on the 4. We're playing an E flat major chord. Now right here, I'm just doing my, we call them in gospel sister chords. So I'm playing my E flat, going to my F minor, going right back to my E flat major chord. And you can keep doing that all the way down if you want to, right? So that's gospel right there. So it's sister chords. So we're just bouncing on the 4. Sister chords in the right hand. This is where it changes. Now I'm on my 7 flat, and I'm playing this nice B7 flat 5 chord. Now we're just doing a nice 7-3-6 progression. All right, that's 7, playing an F minor chord, and then we're going to our 3, and we're playing this B diminished 7 chord, going to our 6, and then we're playing an E flat 7 chord. See how I walk my bass down to that 2? And right here on the 2, we're just playing this F13 chord. Holy One. All right, that's just a 5-1 progression. We're playing a D flat 7 on the 5. And then we're playing our E flat 13. All right, what is that last part? We're playing the F minor 7. That's on the 2. We're going to our G flat diminished 7 on the 3 flat, and And then we're going to our regular E flat major chord on the 3. And guys, that's the whole song. I hope I was able to be a blessing to you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is permission granted. I remember working at a job where one of the receptionists always gave me a hard time about grabbing coffee from her area. Anyone who knows me knows I'm not letting anything come between me and my daily pick-me-up. I told her, if my badge grant me access to this area, then that coffee's just as much mine as anyone else's. She made a strange comment, mimicking an exaggerated voice and saying, "Don't let boss catch you sneaking coffee. Better get back to your area." I found it odd that she seemed to adopt this gatekeeping mindset. A few minutes later, one of her supervisors came by, and we ended up chatting about last night's football game right in front of the same coffee machine. No drama, just two colleagues talking over a cup of coffee. I learned not to let others impose unnecessary limitations on you, especially when you have every right to be where you are. Sometimes people project their own fears or mindsets onto others, but you don't have to internalize or follow them. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in and joining me on today. Thank you so much, Demo, for giving us that awesome song to work on. I really appreciate it. Please request more. And of course, this is the time of the video I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard somebody say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. Guys, you know we can't do this without you. We need you to go and tell everyone you know about this channel. Get the word out. Let's get this channel to grow. I would love it if you meet me over at Facebook. That's me playing all of the songs I love to hear and play. And of course, I hope you do as well. And request a song for me. I would love it if you give me a song. I will play it for you. Of course, that's viewers' request. That's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. Go and check it out. Guys, we have a bell. Hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. And you know, they tell me it takes like 2-3 seconds to hit that bell. I believe it does. I believe it does. Let's see if you believe it does. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit the bell and you just hit the subscribe. Thank you so much. You just made my day. You are not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.